Hello and welcome to YOGATX. My name is Crystal. Today I've got a 15-minute grounding stretch for y'all. We will have no standing. This is very beginner friendly. So let's get started. I don't even know what to say. We're just going to do it. We're going to start in a seat today. You don't necessarily need any props for this practice, but if you have them, grab them. Make yourself comfortable. Go ahead and start in a seat and take your hands to your thighs. Let your eyes close down. Begin to exhale all your air out. Take an inhale to fill your lungs. Mouth open, exhale. All right, deep breath in, fill up. Mouth open, let it go. And one more deep breath in, fill up. Mouth open, exhale. On your next inhale, circle, sweep your arms up overhead. Bring your palms to touch. And exhale, draw a line down your center. Thumbs come to your heart space. Twice more, inhale, reach your arms high. And exhale, hands to heart. One more, inhale, reach arms high. Exhale, hands to heart. Different here, inhale, reach up high. As you exhale, take a side bend to your left. Left hand plants. And really lean to the left. Take your right bicep over the ear. As you inhale, look up at your right thumb. And as you exhale, cactus your right elbow. Look down at your left thumb. Getting into the neck, inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, cactus and look down. Twice more, inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, re-extend. And exhale, cactus, look down. Pause here, looking down at the earth. On your next inhale, re-extend your top right arm. And as you exhale, take your right fingertips to the earth, but on your left side. So adding a little bit of a twist here. Your arms can stay straight or start to bend your elbows for more sensation. You might bring your heart closer to your left knee. Take one more inhale here. And as you exhale, walk your hands forward over your center line. A little bit of a forward fold here. You're welcome to find a sway, keep some distance between your face and the earth. Or if you want to or are able to, you can lower your forearms, bring your forehead closer to the ground. Now again, props aren't necessary, but if you have a block and you just want some support, you're welcome to place a block underneath your forehead. Lots of ways to do one thing. All right, start to press the earth away, sit back up. Before we do the other side, bring your hands behind you. We'll windshield wipe our knees side to side into the lower body for a moment. And then find the opposite cross of your legs. So come to the non-dominant way you normally sit. Might feel a little bit strange. Inhale, sweep your arms high. As you exhale, side bend to the right. Right hand to the earth. Take your left bicep over the ear. Look up. Take an inhale, gazing toward your left thumb. Exhale, cactus your left arm. Look down at your right thumb. With the breath, inhale, re-extend, look up. Exhale, cactus and look down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend. Last one, inhale, look up. Exhale, cactus and look down. Pause here with your gaze down. Inhale, re-extend your top arm. And exhale, bring your left fingertips to the earth on your right side. Adding a bit of a twist. Arms can stay straight or start to bend your elbows. Heart will come closer to your right knee. Take one more inhale here. And exhale, walk your hands forward over your center line. We'll find that fold once more. Any movement or stillness is welcome. You can sway. You can just let your forehead melt towards the earth. Maybe place support under your forehead if you want it. Start to press yourself back up, and we'll find our way to tabletop. So make your way to hands and knees. We'll take some cat-cows. Inhale to let your belly drop, gaze lifts. Exhale, tuck your chin, round your spine. Again, inhale, drop your belly, look forward. Exhale to look towards your belly button. Continue with these at your own pace, or feel free to switch it up. Maybe just wiggle your hips from side to side, or draw circles over your wrists with your shoulders. If you want to get into the wrists more, you can turn your fingers back towards your knees as you take your cat-cows. I love how this feels in the forearms. For sometimes it can be very intense as well. All right, not too much longer here. If you flipped your fingers, flip them back forward and spread your fingers wide. From your neutral tabletop, take a step back with your right foot, tuck the toes under. Shift your heel forward and back. You can stay with that movement, keeping it in one line, or start to carve a circle with your right heel. And just notice any different sensations, getting into all the nooks and crannies of your right leg. Now find stillness, press your heel to the back of the mat. Take an inhale. As you exhale, lift or slide your right foot up and off to the left side of your mat. So reground the toes, look over your left shoulder. Can you find your right heel behind you? A little more side body stretch. Take one more inhale here. And as you exhale, rebend your right knee, draw it towards your right elbow, and take some big knee circles here, getting into the hips. Take a few in each direction. Next time knee comes towards your elbow, pause there, engage your core a little bit, and then take a big step out to the right. So right foot lands in line with your left knee. Ground into your left hand, inhale, sweep your right fingers high. And exhale, thread the needle. Give yourself grace. I find I can't come down too far on this side, but you can just bring your forearm, your elbow to the earth. If you have more space, you can really wind the fingers all the way to the left. Next inhale, reach back up. Exhale, plant the right hand. We'll switch hands. Inhale, left hand reaches. And exhale, thread the needle. It's a little bit easier to get left ear to the earth on this side. Next inhale, reach your left fingertips back up. Exhale, both hands down. Now toe heel, scoot your right foot to the front of your mat. You can land to the outside of your right hand. Inhale, reach your right fingertips up to the ceiling. Now back knee can stay grounded, or tuck your toes to lift your back knee. Just a little more sensation for the left leg here. Take your right bicep over your ear. Inhale, look up. Exhale, cactus your arm and look down. Twice more. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus, look down. Inhale. And exhale. All right, next inhale, fingertips up to the ceiling. Exhale, plant both hands down, soften both knees to the earth. Either coming back to your tabletop or take a child's pose before we do the other side. Find your neutral tabletop. Step your left foot back, tuck the toes, shift your heel forward and back. You can either choose to stay with that vertical line or draw a circle with your left heel. You can take it in both directions. Now find stillness. Press your heel to the back of your mat. Take an inhale. And exhale, guide your left foot over to the right side of your space. Toes come off the mat, look over your right shoulder. Take one more inhale. And exhale, rebend your left knee, draw it to your left side. Take your big hip circles. Few in each direction. Next time knee comes towards your left elbow, pause there, engage your core to step wide. Left foot in line with right knee. Ground into your right hand, inhale, left fingertips reach up. Oh, I had a crack. Exhale, thread the needle. Again, give yourself grace. You might not come down very far. The most sensation I feel when I twist away from my extended leg is actually through my left thigh, or the thigh of the leg that's extended. So this is a twist, but it's working a lot of things. Right, inhale, reach left fingertips high. And exhale, plant left hand, switch to the right. Inhale, right fingertips up. And exhale, thread the needle. Inhale, right fingertips reach up. Exhale, plant both hands. Toe, heel, slide, scoot your left foot to the top of your mat. And then find your dragonfly twist. Left fingertips reach. Your choice, back knee stays grounded or tuck the toes to lift the back knee. Take your left bicep over your ear. Inhale, look up. Exhale, cactus your arm and look down. Twice more. Inhale, reach, look up. Exhale, cactus, look down. And last one, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left fingertips up to the ceiling. Find your wingspan. Exhale, plant both hands. Take it back to child's pose. Widen your knees. Soften your forehead to the mat. Maybe rock your head side to side. Then from here, we'll come on to our backs. So get there however works for you. Once on your back, hug your knees into your chest. You can rock side to side here to massage out your spine. You can keep this going, or something new I've invited into my practice lately is to bring the soles of my feet together. So this is like butterfly pose on our backs. And I'll just cup the edges of my feet with my hands and then pull my feet closer to me. And again, invitation to keep this, or you can separate the feet for a happy baby. Maybe extend one leg and then the other. Take any other movement here that feels good. And then when you're ready, find a Shavasana. You can extend arms and legs away from the center line of the body. You can also bring soles of your feet wide. Knock your knees to touch. Constructive rest. Or end with a hip opener, soles of feet together, knees wide. I like the constructive rest today. It's what feels right to me in this moment. And then take a moment, notice if your shoulders are up by your ears. See if you can, one by one, walk or peel your shoulders down away from your ears. Let your eyes close down. And deepen your breath. Breaths are Nice, long, and slow. You're welcome to stay here as long as you need. If you need to move on with your day, start to wiggle into your fingers and your toes. Maybe rock your head side to side a few times. So you're ready, we'll roll to one side, finding a fetal position here. And then use your hands to press yourself up. Bring your hands to your heart space once you're upright. We'll seal this practice with a breath together. To begin, exhale all your air out. Inhale, fill your lungs. Breathe into your hands. Taking an extra sip at the top. And sigh it out. Thank you so much for joining me here today at YOGATX. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe to our page. If you want to follow me personally, you can find me on Instagram. My handle is at its_Crystal. That's CRYST, 5 A's and an L. Namaste, yogis.